Very good morning, students. So let me take the next problem under non-profit organization in my accountancy class. And for this online YouTube class, I welcome you all. Okay. And let me read the problem first. Then as usual, the solutions will be shown. Right. So following are the balance sheet and receipt and payment account of Bharat Education Society for the year ending 31/3/2014. And here also they have given the balance sheet, the previous year balance sheet, as well as receipt and payment account. So liability side we have capital fund, affiliation fee due, and this is one kind of expenditure, affiliation fee for continuation of institution need to pay to that concerned authority. 1000 is outstanding due, means it is paid in the current year. So from the current year affiliation fee we need to deduct it. Then building fund we have special fund 60,000 and salary outstanding due 3,000. Right. So these are the amounts, items given in the liability side. Now let us see what are given in the asset side. We have furniture and investment, both are fixed assets, as well as sports equipments. And there is a subscription outstanding 1000, previous year subscription need to be deducted from the subscription current year. Then cash in hand, that is opening cash balance, we have 1000, and books also asset worth rupees 18,000. So the total of the balance sheet is 1,22,000. Right. So in this we are going to take directly in the next year balance sheet, that is capital fund and building fund. Right. And affiliation fee due and salary due should be adjusted. And here on asset side, furniture, investment, sports equipment and books. These are the assets we are taking directly and showing the concerned adjustment with them. Then only subscription outstanding, which we need to deduct from the subscription current year receipts. Right. And cash in hand given in the old balance sheet we are not going to consider. See, receipt and payment account is showing these are the things, receipts we have on the receipt side. So 1000 is the opening cash balance, last year closing cash balance will become this year opening cash balance. Then subscriptions total is 20,000 and out of that 1000 last year's we need to deduct. Government grants we have 98,000. Right. That is receipts, revenue receipts, and interest 3,000 and building grant, specific fund need to be added to the building fund 5,000. Okay. See, then we have payment side, affiliation fees 1000, which was outstanding last year, paid here. So 1000 deducted 1000, no payment this year. Then salary 75,000, revenue expenses, board, maps, charts, all revenue expenses 7,000, furniture added, addition, purchase 4,000, repairs and painting, revenue expenditure, books is added to the already existing books 14,000, then postage revenue, sports event revenue, union day function revenue, printing and stationery revenue, and cash balance last we have 7,800. Okay. So this is what receipt and payment account given. Right. And along with that we have adjustments, that is 4 adjustments are given. First one is this year also we have a outstanding salary 2,700, salary due 2,700, and subscriptions this year also there is subscription due, means we need to add 2,700, salary also we need to add, current year outstanding need to be added, subscription due 1,800 need to be added, and subscription received in advance, means next year subscription we have received in advance need to be deducted, less 400. Right. Then along with that they have given the depreciation on furniture, books, as well as sports material, which we need to deduct from the concerned asset and show all the amounts to the income and expenditure account, expenditure side, right? So these are the items and these are the adjustments. With the help of this, we are going to prepare what? Income and expenditure account and the balance sheet, right? And so the next, that is a part of my video, will be that is solution, which you can see and write detail in your notebook clearly, right? Yes, here I will show you the solution, right? And I have already prepared this income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. So now I will see what are the items need to be taken directly to the balance sheet from the old balance sheet, then remaining receipt and payment account. Okay, so I have a problem here besides me, and I go on writing the items here. So first one is capital fund. Capital fund, and the amount given is 58,000. Write it in the inner column, right? Then affiliation fee is there, which we are going to show in the expenditure side. Then we have building fund. Leave 2-3 lines and write here building fund. Okay, this is a special amount, special donation received for building, 60,000. Right in the inner column itself, okay, because there is some adjustment. Then we have salary due, which we are going to show in the expenditure, right? Next we have furniture here. Leave 2 lines because furniture bought is there, as well as depreciation, 2 lines. Then write investment. And investment, I think no adjustment, directly outer column, 38,000, right? Next we have sports equipments, right? Sports equipments, and here also adjustments are there. 2 adjustment, right? Leave 2 lines, 14,000. Okay. Next we have subscription outstanding, which we are going to deduct from the subscription, current year subscription. And cash in hand we are not going to consider. And books, leave 3 lines, write books, worth rupees 18,000 we have. And books also got the adjustment, right in the inner column. Okay, so now receipt and payment account, subscriptions. Subscriptions worth rupees 20,000 we have. And from this 20,000, first deduct previous year outstanding less outstanding subscriptions for previous year. Previous year destittu subscription 1,000. Means last year balance sheet we have to consider first. 19,000, write it in the inner column, right? Next item is government grants, right? So leave around 3 lines, 3 to 4 lines, write government grants here. Government grants are revenue incomes, and we have received 98,000, unless and until it is for specific purpose. 98,000 directly outer column, as there is no other adjustment. And interest we have, write interest received, worth rupees 3,000. Then we have building grant, means we have to add to building fund. Building grant received for specific purpose, worth rupees 5,000. Then total building fund became 65,000, right outer column. So we taken from the receipt side. Now come to the payment side. affiliation fees. Affiliation fees 1000 ಇದೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಇದು ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಫಿಲಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಡ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ last years. Then we have salaries, and salaries 75,000 in the inner column, 75,000, and we have adjustment. Last year outstanding salary was there. Yes, that should be deducted. First do that. Less outstanding salary for previous year. How much? It was 3,000. Right in the inner column itself, because current year also we have outstanding. Salaries aitu, then bold map ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನದು charts 7,000. okay, bold map and charts. Right, asset, leave 2-3 lines here, right? Board, map and charts. How much? 7,000, right, outer column. Then furniture purchased, add purchased or addition worth rupees 4,000, and total furniture became 54,000. Write it in the inner column itself. Right? Next, repairs and paintings. Yes, leave 2-3 lines right here. Repairs and paintings. Yesterday 6,000. Then we have books purchased, add purchased. How much? Worth of books 14,000, and write still in the inner column 32,000, because depreciation is there. Then we have postage, revenue expenses. Postage is to 1,200. Right, outer column. Then we have sports events, expenses on sports events. How much? 5,000. Then amount Union Day function, but expenditure on Union Day function 2,600. Printing and stationery, printing and stationery 3,400. Yes, and cash balance, cash in hand, closing cash balance, we have 7,800. Right, so all the items we have taken from the payment side one by one. Now adjustment, salary due. So add outstanding salary for current year 2,700, ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 74,700. ರೈಟ್, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 2,700. Yes, then we have subscriptions due, add outstanding subscriptions for current year 1800. Right in the inner column one more adjustment is there, 20,800, and right here outstanding subscriptions, they are receivables 1800. Okay, subscription received in advance less subscription received for next year or received in advance ಬರ್ದ್ರು ಆಯಿತು. and the worth is 400 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 20,400 will be our final subscription. And here write subscription received in advance 400. ಇದು liability ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, next year advance receive ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Then depreciation less depreciation furniture ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 3,800. when we deduct 3,800 we will get 50,200, right? Then sports equipments less depreciation, sports equipment depreciation ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, it is 2,000, 12,000 outer column. Then we have books also depreciation less depreciation, 5,700. 5,700 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 26,300, right? Then all the depreciation we have to write here. Depreciation on furniture, books ಮತ್ತೆ sports material. Furniture 3,800, books 2,000, then books 5,700. ಇದು sports material. Books ಇದ್ದು just I write here. Books we have 5,700. Total 11,500. check into 15 1 carry 6 11,500. okay, so all the things we have taken, we have considered all the adjustments also. So now what to do? Find the total, which side is more. $400 and annondu and carry ಅದು 121,400 total. Then write the surplus. We have to do the total of this and check with the this total 1,21,400. So here I have done outside here calculator and directly write the surplus 17,000 and here add surplus 17,000. $75,000. Yes. total capital fund this year. And now do the total here, this side and this side. You can use the calculator. One carry 143 100. Yes, correct ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 1,43,100. 1,43,100. is end. Here you have to close. So here this is how we solve the problem for 12 marks. I hope you are following and practicing these problems at home, because this time you may get 1 or 2 problems under this topic for 12 marks, because within the available topics only we have to ask 12 marks question. So any one topic will get 2 problems. So we will understand only once the blueprint is released from the board. Okay, so that's why you take it as very, very important, and because it is first chapter in your book, so that's why the chances are more. Hope you are feeling these problems easy and you are making efforts to understand and solve the problems, right? So with this today I conclude the class, and along with this I give some practice problems which you do your own and send me your answers in the WhatsApp, right? So till my next class, take care and bye.